Let us talk about media information literacy. Let's find out. Let's go!
Media information and literacy is ability to access, analyze, and evaluate information. It is a form of media with different formats that provide essential information and help to enhance skills and competences that allows individual to engage with media and other information providers effectively, as well as it develops critical thinking and lifelong learning skills to associate and become active citizens.
Ice! Ano ba yan? I don't know how to use this kind of new media technology.
Way back, when we used the traditional way of media, we used a newspaper. Libro, chismis,
Make sure your sources are credible. Pero, paano nga ba natin ito malalaman? Nga ba? By the use of the internet, we have the privilege to access different types of media for gathering information.
Maraming iba't ibang aspeto ang may pamalas ng media information literacy sa ating buhay. Nariyan na ang pag-unlad ng ating ekonomiya sa makabagong teknika.